I'm John, inventory manager with 4 State Trux, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about some new brake knob pullers that we just got in not too long ago. Being a former veteran of our armed forces for 10 years, I thought these came out pretty neat. They come from United Pacific. These look almost like a challenge coin. Solid metal. It has 3M tape on the back side. It just attaches right here to it. We have all 4 armed forces represented. We got the Army, and of course Air Force, which I'm a little bit privy to, Marines, and the Navy. And these do retail for only $31.99 a piece. All they do is just screw on, just like all of our other brake knob pullers, and then you apply the sticker and you're good to go. You can come down at 4 State Trux anytime, and one of our qualified sales associates will show you where they are, and you can actually take a look at them in person.
Hey guys, this is Colin over at 4 State Trux, home of Chrome Shop Mafia. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the TPHD exhaust system. It comes in a variety of different sizes, 6 up to 8 inches. And these also come with a 1-year warranty as well as free shipping. And so far these kits are set up for the Peterbilt 379, 389 glider kits. You can get inside the Peterbilt style elbows, which will not come with a wide pipe. Long drop 90-degree elbows, which will come with a wide pipe. Give your truck a nice look. Anyways, come on down and check her out.
This is Cody at 4 State Trux. I want to tell you about a little part we've got available to you. How many of you with a 389 have had an issue with the little bracket that bolts at the bottom of the cowl panel here? When you put a one-piece cab cowl panel on, that bracket breaking. Well, we've come up with a solution for it, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. We've come up with a design. It's 11 gauge stainless steel. It's not going to break like the cheap aluminum brackets do. I say cheap, they cost about 90 bucks from the dealership. You can get a pair of these for normally $76.99. This month, everything we build in-house is 10% off, so you're going to get it for $69.29. Again, that's till the end of this month. This design, it's a 2-piece. You can see it's got fiber washers in it on a slide, so as your cab moves up and down, it lets it move back and forth to allow that cowl to move back and forth. Comes with all the mounting hardware, no drilling required, mounts in the same bolt holes as the factory bracket does. Come on down to 4 State Trux, check these out. You can get them in the store, you can get them on the website. And don't think that they'll just work with our cab cowls either. They'll work with any set of one-piece cab cowls you've got.
Hey guys, Derrick, 4 State Trux, home of Chrome Shop Mafia. I want to show you some new lights coming out from Trux. So it's a standard 4x6, their premium upgrade. Now they come with a heated lens in it, so you guys up north that have to worry about any freezing over, stuff like that, it'll melt that off. So we've got the low beam and we've got the high beam here. 2400 lumens on high beam, 1300 on low. Keep them in stock here. $191. Come check these things out, man. Get them while they're hot.